As of March 2025, the cryptocurrency market is seeing some exciting changes with new trends, innovative projects, and some ups and downs. Economy. Today, we're going to break down the key developments in the crypto world and what they mean for the investors and enthusiasts. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about AI driven meme coins. In the past, meme coins were seen as driven mostly by social media trends and viral memes. But now these coins are evolving with the help of artificial intelligence. AI is giving meme coins real utility, helping them grow beyond just memes and speculation. For example, projects like Serene combine with viral nature of memes with AI powered social media analysts and trading signals. Another project, Mind of PP, uses as AI agents to analyze the market and help launch tokens. AI based crypto projects have been making huge strides, with some seeing gains of more than 2,900% in 2024 alone. This is a game changer for meme coins, turning them more risky bets into projects that have real potential. Next, we have Layer 3, the scalability solution. Layer 3 refers to a new blockchain system that are built on top of existing networks like Ethereum to make them faster and more efficient. One project leading the charge here is B3 Base, which is focused on gaming and transactions that need to be moved quickly. 3B systems allows for high volume transactions with shared liquidity and pools, helping solve the scalability issues and have been a problem for blockchain and technology for years. This trend shows the growing demand for blockchain networks. They are tailored to specific industries like gaming rather than to do everything at once. Moving on, let's talk about metaverse and virtual ownership. The metaverse is a virtual world where people can interact, create, and even own land. Has been one of the hottest topics in crypto. A project that's leading the way here is EarthMet, which is building a decentralized platform where users can own virtual cities and participate in the decision making through decentralized auto mode organization. Metaverse is projected to be a huge market, with analysts expecting to reach a value of 1.3 trillion by 2030. Earth Meta offering staking and liquidity incentives. It's clear why so many people are excited about virtual ownership and the future of digital space. Now let's dive into security and innovations. As technology continues to evolve, we need to think about how to protect our data and digital assets. One of the emerging solutions is quantum resistance, blockchain technology, which addresses concerns about future quantum computers and potentially breaking down current cryptography systems. One projected focus on this is DIAM, which is creating a blockchain resistant to quantum threats. This is an area to keep an eye on, as it's always about making sure our digital assets stay safe in the world where quantum computers might be able to crack current security systems. The market outlook and predictions for 2025. Let's take a quick look at the overall market and what we can expect from this major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and some of the altcoins. Bitcoin and Marco fact. As of March 2025, Bitcoin's price is hovering around 93,950. Experts are predicting that Bitcoin could surge to 123,000 by the end of the year. This increase could be driven by two factors: the approval of Bitcoin exchange and trader funds ETFs, and increased institutional adoption, meaning more companies and big investors are getting involved in Bitcoin market. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Some experts like Arthur Hayes are warning of a potential liquidity crunch in mid-March, which could cause volatility and even a market correction. This means crypto market could experience some ups and downs, so it's important for investors to stay alert. The altcoins to watch for. Moving on to altcoins, let's take a look at a few that are gaining attention in the market. One of them is Mantra, OM, which is nearing its all-time high of $9.17 and only needs another 25% surge to break through the resistance. Another group of coins to keep an eye on includes Hedra, Sui, Polkadot, and the coins are getting popularity for their solutions and scalability and interoperability, which are two key issues for blockchain technology. Risks and emerging projects. As always in the world of cryptocurrency, there are risks involved, especially when it comes to new and untested projects. Pre-sale opportunities like Solexia and Bitcoin Bull are attracting investors because they promise the niche utilities. However, these pre-sales come with a lot of uncertainty, especially when it comes to liquidity and adoption. If these projects don't take off, investors could lose face. Then there are that are driven by social hype and can often lead to pump and dump schemes, where prices shoot up quickly only to crash just as fast. These types of coins are highly speculative, and although they might seem to fun or exciting, they also risky and should be approached with caution. So, what does all of this mean for the future of cryptocurrencies? As we see them from the trends in AI and the metaverse and blockchain scalability, there are plenty of excitement and innovations on the horizon. Moreover, it's important to keep in mind that macroeconomics factors like liquidity and regulatory changes can play a big role in how the market evolves. As always, investors should be cautious and prioritize projects offer real utility rather than jumping into speculative trend. The key takeaway here is to balance optimism with caution. Keep an eye on emerging technologies, but remember that not every project will succeed. Make sure you're investing in a project with clear use cases and strong teams behind them, rather than simply chasing the hype. Thank you for tuning in to today's update on cryptocurrency market. Remember, if you have any thoughts or questions, leave a comment below with your thoughts on the latest crypto trends. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my updates on the cryptocurrency market. Let's keep the conversation going.